Electron affinity. Part 2. Which one will lose electron easily, lithium or boron? If lithium gain one electron it can be stable, but boron is not stable. So boron will lose electron easily. Which one is more stable, fluorine minus or chlorine minus? Cl minus is more stable than fluorine minus. Because chlorine accept electron much than fluorine. But fluorine attract more than chlorine. Remember, group 17 has always highest electron affinity than group 16. Example, iodine has highest electron affinity than sulfur. Question 1. Arrange this in order of electron affinity: oxygen, sulfur, chlorine, iodine. Answer. Group 16 is oxygen, sulfur. And 17 is chlorine, iodine. So we know, sulfur has more electron affinity than oxygen. Again we know, chlorine has highest electron affinity in group 17. But we know group 17 has highest electron affinity than group 16. So order will be chlorine greater than iodine, greater than sulfur, greater than oxygen. That's all. Hope you like this video.